be a sign. Let me know you're mine. Won't you give me a little love tonight?
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये.
Hello guys, I'm Sushmila Pujari and he is my partner Shivraj Acharya and we are Sushiva.
So, आज हम करने वाले इशारे तेरे सॉन्ग पे डांस जो हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको सिखाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट हम करेंगे म्यूजिक पे. आर यू रेडी?
Yes, I am.
लेट्स गो.
Okay, so let's start from the top. Okay, for girls, you're going forward by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once again, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, freak out, freak out, freak out, freak out. Okay, let's move it to the next step.
Let it be a sign. Let me know you're mine. Won't you give me a little love tonight?
Go, hit, go, wave and 1, 2. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, 8, go, hit, go, roll and 1, 2, 3. Then the same step we are going to the left. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go and hit, go, roll and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we'll do it both side continuous. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, hit, go, roll and 1, 2, 3, go, hit, roll, go, 1, 2, 3 and move to next step.
Let it be a sign. Let me know you're mine.
5, 6, 7, 8, go, wave and wave. Okay, simple. 5, 6, 7, 8, go and wave, go, wave and wave. Go.
Easy. After boys का entry है like outside से like hero entry, freak out. Then after the start step,
Won't you give me a little love tonight?
together go, kick your leg and stop. Go hit, go forward, down and forward, down and forward. Easy. One more time. Ready? Go. Kick, stand, 1, 2, go. Forward, forward. Easy. Next step.
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा.
Okay, next time we are going to continue from this. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, hey, go back and back. Okay, from here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, hey, go. 1, hey, go back and back.
Easy. After
मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये इशारे.
next step, come on, go right side, go down and go back, hit, back, hit. Easy. One more time. Ready? Go right side, go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, go down, up, up.
Okay.
Okay, so
Next
next
step.
step.
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी.
So, back to position. And go left, hit. 1, 2, go double, hey. Once again, go, hit 5, 6, 7, 8, go. And hit, go double.
मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता.
So next step, we'll go side, right side one more time, 1 and down, go 1, 2. And one more time, go, come on. 1 and back, go 1, 2. After that, go back side. Last time, come on, go. 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, go back.
Okay, next we are going like hit and down, go side, side, go hit, 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 hit and roll. Okay, simple again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go hit and down, go 1, 2, hit, 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 go roll and skid, turn around, go wave.
Ready? Last time, go outside and turn and wave. Ready?
5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hey, roll and swap.
Ready? Go next step.
सैया तेरी हर गल झूठियां तेरे हाथ विच किस दी अंगूठियां हर कुड़ी नाल वे तू गल करदा
Go V shape. For front, front, back, back. Like open, cross and turn. Easy. One more time. Go V shape. Go forward, forward, back, back. Like open, cross and turn. Go next step.
5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, once
Ready,
again.
go. One more
5,
time.
6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, then hit. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hit, hit, double, double. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, go. Hit, hit, double, double.
After go like front, front, go side, side. Easy? Go, come on. Front, front, side and side. Now ready, go next step. One more time, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go right, left side. 1, 2, double, double, go left leg front, front, go side, side. Easy? One more time. Ready, back to position and go. Come on. 1, 2, go double, double, go 1, 2 and double, double, go left, right, double, double, go left, right, side to side. Easy. Go next step.
You're moving your shoulder towards right. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Yeah. The same step, but hand variation. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, go. 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, hey, hey.
Easy.
Again.
Last time.
Last time, okay, hand variation. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hey, go, boom, boom, go. Hey, go, boom, boom.
Following my every move it don't matter what I do you got me coming back on you baby now I'm falling for you
So, ये था हमारा आज का डांस रूटीन
ऑन इशारे तेरे. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक,
शेयर
कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब
Subscribe.
आवर चैनल.
let it be a sign let me know you're mine won't you give me a little love tonight let it be a sign let me know you're mine won't you give me a little love tonight
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे